Hey everyone, it's Mandy here, and today I'm talking about finding joy in life's challenges. We all face challenges in life, but it's how we choose to respond to them that makes all the difference. In this video, I'm going to share some tips on how to find joy in the midst of life's challenges. One, acknowledge the challenge. The first step to finding joy in life's challenges is to acknowledge the challenge. It's important to recognize that life isn't always easy and that there will be times when things don't go as planned. Acknowledging the challenge can help you to stay focused and motivated to find a solution. 2. Find the opportunity. The second tip is to find the opportunity in the challenge. Every challenge presents an opportunity to learn and grow. Look for the silver lining and use it as a chance to become a better version of yourself. 3. Take action. The third tip is to take action. Once you've acknowledged the challenge and identified the opportunity, it's time to take action. Take small steps towards achieving your goal and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. 4. Celebrate your successes. The fourth tip is to celebrate your successes. It's important to recognize and celebrate the small wins along the way. This will help to keep you motivated and remind you that you are capable of achieving your goals. Finding joy in life's challenges isn't always easy, but it is possible. By following these tips, you can find joy in the midst of life's challenges and use them as an opportunity to grow and become a better version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.